let's hope this time we get his band back together again. You join the underground cavalry today. Well, hey there, tell me your name. Try around the world, but you're stranded in a darkened cave. Oh, and we hate you the same. Now, my friends, more meets the eye. You power up the studio and bring 'em to life. And play the beats, trick 'em to life. It's life more. Don't worry, chum. Not the music that dies. Listen up, a life support machine was brought to life by remarkable hands. Forget about the hell we've seen. The time has come to revive our band. When the rhythm, cocaine, the beat, and press the keys on the piano. Slow the ritual, please. Song 5 for 9 will help and blind devil's advocate and write your lies. You're just returning our own string tonight. Hope you tune the light now. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! See the magic of art would tear you apart if you knew. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! Mattress fueled by your heart. Our dreams and desires are untrue. He had bigger plans when a man made a man who came back to this darkened cell. Gonna break us out of this hell. It starts with the rhythm days, but our instruments have all grown tired. In the end, our dream was a dance that took a dance away and we got retired. Long ago, we had a new change of face. We turned up a couple notches with a brand new page. Taking on the rage as betrayed us, enslaved us, what the deed is done. Now we want to get out, so listen up. It's nice to be underground with a good old friend like me. A friend like me, yeah. So you know that sun went line. Sit down, take a seat, take a seat. That's for sure, but that's for schmucks. And a little bit of ink and a couple of bucks. We can reopen the curtains and show us not, but for goodness sake. You've gotta just believe you're just turning our own thing tonight. Hope you turn the light now. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! See the magic of art would tear you apart if you knew. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! This magic's fueled by your heart. Her dreams, his eyes are untrue. He had bigger plans, but a man came back dark and cell. Here, break us out. Go to sleep, my little sheep. It's time to rest your head, whether alive or dead. I am the keeper of the key that sets all free. I bring the demon back to life. Bring the demon back to life. Song that I sing that shows the light. Even in life, somehow we sing with delight. When notes are inquire, this will appease my desires. You have given me the tools to start this fire. There's a twisted fate that controls us and betrays us. My friends have a death wish and know this is him to blame. I brought him to his knees. Your only hope to escape this and to embrace this. We need your help to keep this demon at bay. Let's end this today. You're the conductor of this performance now, Henry. Will you take your word or ours? Golly, sure hope this works. You turn on this machine. Now you have to believe. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! Sparking the magic of art would tear you apart if you knew. Can I get an amen in here? Amen! Magic fueled by your heart. Her dreams, desires are untrue, untrue. You had bigger plans for a man, but a man who came back. World of gray, welcome to the gospel of dismay. Wow. Welcome to the gospel of dismay.